Hey guys, Zen up here. Today we're checking out the Archer A1 EDC light from THRUNITE. Inside the box you get the light itself and a user's guide. So let's take this thing outside and see what it can do. It is dark 30 and we're outside. We have our light here on low, lighting up our cheat sheet real nice. Shining it out into the yard. Off of the pump house, that's 50 feet away. And almost makes it to the end of the grass line there. So let's kick it up to high, off, back on. Now we're on high. Nice wide beam there, off of the pump house. Trees at the end of the grass there, that's 100 feet away. End of the fence line there, that's 150 feet away. And can kind of make it off those trees across the road there, 200 feet away. There is no battery for this light, so we're going to have to provide our own. To access the battery compartment, we're going to unscrew the head and stick a AA battery in there. I am using the Loop Pro. This is a nickel metal hydride battery. But you can use regular NiCads or lithium batteries. Operation of this light's pretty simple. We have just the one button here on the back that runs the whole thing. If we give it a click, we will be onto low. Low is 32 lumens. It'll last there for 15 hours. Turn it off, turn it back on. We will be on high. High is 312 lumens. And it'll last there for 64 minutes. Those times are based off of a 2450 milliamp hour battery. We're running a 2500, so it should be around those same times. This light also has the momentary on feature. So if you give it kind of a half click, you're going to get that light until you let go. Click it again, we'll go on to high. Momentary low, momentary high. Now this is a very deliberate button. You can't just accidentally turn this thing on. You have to want to turn it on. Good push. So this would be perfect for like a bag or a purse or something like that. Something that is going to get bumped around a little bit. You might get the momentary to come on, but you really have to hit it to make it turn on. And that is cool. The clip on here is pretty deep. You only get about that much there sticking out of your pocket. But it's also reversible, so you can take your hat or something and stick it on there and use it as a modified headlamp. It is IPX8 waterproof rated down to 2 meters and impact resistant for 1.5 meters. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.